my name's Scott Ryerson with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to take you through our 2019 Mastercraft XT25. This is a beautiful black, white, and gray boat with the gray sea decking. It has the Plish advanced audio package. It has the awesome 7-inch touchscreen control screen. This boat has flip up seat to look backwards when you're surfing or skiing. Subwoofer has the Z2 folding tower with wakeboard and wake surf racks. There's the awesome rear facing couch that goes into a sun pad for an awesome boat. Tons of storage built in. Move this back out of the way so nice and easily. Built-in cooler. Tons of storage for, there's also has a bow filler or filler cushion. Tons of storage for all your ropes and gear. Awesome port side flip up storage compartment. Get all kinds of great stuff in there. This boat comes with a fold out bimini, surf bimini sleeves, ski tow bar. It's an awesome boat. Got the beautiful teak deck. Come and check out our 2019 Mastercraft XT25 at MarineMax in Greenville. Check us out at MarineMaxGreenville.com.